Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and it's hard to find a nice quality yet beautiful plastic cup. Well, Amazing Abby has nailed it with these iceberg glasses. These are plastic tumblers, so even though they have that really nice glass looking like sparkle, they are completely shatterproof because they're plastic, and I love that about them. This is the iceberg design too, which I think that design just adds a little bit of extra flair to the glasses. The inside, you can feel the design with a little bumpy texture, but the outside is really nice and smooth, which makes it easier to grip. I really think the look of these is so cool. If you look at this, it just reminds me of like a kaleidoscope, and I just think they're so eye-catching and unique. Now these are 24 ounces, so they have a really nice high capacity. What's awesome about these is you can hand wash them, or my personal favorite, they are top rack dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. I love that this set is stackable because that means it takes up less space in my cupboards. These are great for indoor or outdoor use. Because they are shatterproof, I feel confident to use them outdoors without that fear that it's a glass that's gonna break. I really love the durable plastic that it's made of. So if you're looking for a nice, durable, and fancy glass, check out these ones from Amazing Abby. And that's just my point of view.